No number or street name now comes to mind, but the burnt toast leapt for joy from its furnace womb into the subversive kitchen's candlelit gloom. Underwear and socks draped on a sawn-off clothesline, flags of a glorious revolution undermined. White bread with impetuous flowering spores, a cactus shared the sill with a potato in bloom. A poster of George Best and that failed Tower of Tatlins, a dartboard with one dart, a postcard from Butlins. While beyond the crushed blinds and loose padlocked doors, Mornington Crescent chilled like a tomb. 3 mattresses spaced on the blood-red tiled floor, separated by stacked ashtrays and photocopied flyers. A plug socket exposing a nest of dead wires. I used to eat toast all the time, fashionably bored by tin tuna, blind anger and thin urban folklore. Meetups in pubs, the bass-heavy dub gigs in the yard, rusted drums from 2 dead spin drivers, old pallets, petrified cat shit and a broken guitar from when Dan failed to quite master Masters of War. I smoked weed all that summer as they ran from the pigs in the back of Zach's Cortina with the 3 flat tires. Things look so romantic when I trim off the edges, frame the picture and hang it above a vase of flowers, and hear the old carriage clock tick down the hours. Window breathes out across trimmed suburban hedges. I watch the news of the riots and take my prescribed pill. Tell a few scuzzy tales of drunken poverty and Maoists and Marxist agendas that live raw in the heart. But now sleep on my bookshelf next to histories of art. Slices of granary loaf tanning under the grill. The toast is now perfect, but I've burnt all my bridges to that island called past that we never call ours. To that island called past that we never, ever call ours.